we were getting a F11 error code on the LG stove. The oven was not heating up. So I did some research online and I had to order igniter, which I already installed. It's just this little guy right there. I'm gonna show you how I removed all the stuff that was in there. But basically, I ordered the part on Amazon. This is the old part that I just removed, and this is the new part that I ordered online on Amazon. It fits this oven. It's actually goes to a lot of. You can fit it into a lot of LG ovens. This part, but basically, in this little hole here, there's a plug that you unplug. You have to be careful when you do that because that little part there can just fall in it. So you won't be able to pick it up. So you gotta do it with both hands. Hold it with one hand this part and just unplug that little plug in here, and that's part of the igniter. Once it's done, you're gonna put it back in. Make sure the wires are inside, and make sure you screw these two screws tightly. It's a pretty easy swap. All right, I'm just gonna show you how I removed other part now. So there's this little cover here that goes right there. Okay, and it says here front top. It screws with 4 screws, right there and right there. And these are the screws, small screws like this, metal screws. You just put them in there. It's pretty easy, so I'm gonna do it right now. All right, I just installed it back on. 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all you need. And now we're gonna install the bottom plate. The bottom plate is right there. Okay. The bottom plate is a little larger, so you gotta tilt it a little bit. It just falls in place. Okay. And now you have to move it forward, and then sort of slide it in, because there are like a little screws in there that holds it from coming up. And you can just screw it with 2 screws, right, and two right there. These are the bigger screws that you're gonna use. There's also like a metal screws, so I'm gonna do it right now. All right, quick thing. I was trying to, before I decided to replace the igniter, I was trying to reset the oven. You reset the oven by unplugging it from the outlet, or just shutting off the circuit breaker if you have a designated circuit breaker for your oven, and pressing the clear button for a couple times. Then plug it back in. Sometimes it works. People were claiming that reset procedure works, but it didn't work for me, so I decided to replace the igniter, and it looks like everything is working fine right now. 195 degrees. It hasn't been 5 minutes or 10 minutes yet. Thank you for watching.